Hi guys, my name is Indigo and welcome back to my channel. If you guys can hear it, I got a new microphone and it's literally right on top of my camera, and thank the Lord, because my other videos had so much echo and like that little sound. Didn't like it. But anyways, that is now officially the past, so for some reason, whenever I try filming, all these animals start screaming and yelling, and like it's completely quiet the entire day, and then I start filming and everybody wants to screech. Don't ask me why. Today I'm going to be doing a Three of Swords or Hearts, I don't even know, makeup look. This was actually supposed to be the Halsey makeup look that somebody requested. However, that is coming, just not this video, because... So let's get started. Normally I do this off of camera, but I just forgot to do it today. I'm going to be using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer to prime my face. I don't use this in my day-to-day makeup, but when it comes to like my makeup that I use in these videos, I just wear so much. And I am obsessed with skincare, so like my skin's health is my #1 priority. Even though it doesn't look like it, I like to make a nice barrier between my skin and all those crazy paints, cause ciao. I like testing my creativity, not my skin. Okay, and next I'm just gonna go in with Clown White. I don't even have to talk about this product anymore. Y'all already know what's up with this product. If anybody wants to get me something for Christmas, it's Clown White, period. I'm only gonna be doing this on the edges of my face today. Also, if I was doing this off a camera, obviously I would remove my bang off of my face, but I'm in front of a camera, I wanna look cute. That is not an option. And then I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. Do not waste money on that $20 thing. You can get this for $5 at literally anywhere. It's the literal same thing, if not better. Don't play with me. I'm just gonna over apply to like literally everywhere, just because it's better to over apply than to under apply and then have to reapply this later on. So I actually don't know if I've addressed this in another video, but I get Clown White to look so even and white with using a wet beauty sponge, and then I set it really quickly. That's just always been the way that I've used it, so that's why I personally like it, but some people apparently have a lot of issues with this paint. Normally I would use a white eyeshadow to set it because I don't want to use this and make it a little bit yellow. However, for this look, I actually do want a little bit of a yellow cast on the white, so I'm going to be using the setting powder and honestly just letting it do its own thing. Although I wouldn't really be mad with either outcome, but honestly, this isn't a technique that I use just with Clown White. I use this with all my paints, just because whenever you finish doing body paints, it's always gonna have like that shiny, like greasy kind of like face paint look, and setting it really gets rid of that. I just do it off of camera because I use baby powder and you're not really supposed to be doing that. Please don't do that. It is really not good for your lungs, and I don't want to advertise my bad habits as something that you should do. Oh, I forgot that here. Next, I'm gonna use the pastel blue shade in the Mirror Makeup Paradise palette. Is this the Paradise palette? Period, yes it is. I'm going to be using it to fill my entire face in with it. This is the only filler that I've gotten so far. Let's see if that statement holds true in like a year. But anyways, on that topic, I absolutely 1000% do want filler. So if y'all see me, and then to get rid of the paint streaks, I'm just using a damp beauty blender and I'm patting it away. I am really bold for doing this with a white jacket on, child. Next I'm gonna use Brain Freeze to start contouring my nose. I feel like I made a nose contour a little too thick. I'm gonna use the same shadow and I'm going to create the cheek contour. I'm being extra careful about contour just because we do have that white band around it and I don't really want to mess with it. Don't worry y'all, I know my nose contour is crooked. We're gonna fix that real quick. And I'm gonna highlight the inner part of my eye with Virgin. I run out of white shades a lot because I rely on them a little too heavily. It's funny because you'd expect it to be like a white crayon where like you literally never reach for it and then you end up reaching for it every single time. Nikita Dragon Transformation Powder Who? Fun fact, I actually bought it and it should be here in a couple days, so actually we do know what that is. I love horchata so much. Alrighty, next I'm gonna start adding clouds. Y'all already know the drill. With my dense little packing brush, and you just press down. And for the next couple clouds, I'm just going to use the gray paint as a base, just so they appear darker. Girl, somebody died outside. Y'all heard some? Because I didn't. And then I'm gonna go back in with the clown white and I'm just gonna repeat what I was doing. I'm not gonna really add a cloud to this side just because I'm just mainly going to be in the picture for this side and I'm lazy. I'm so lazy, so I'm not going to be doing that. Instead, I'm gonna use a little fluffy brush and I'm gonna grab some gray eyeshadow and just pack it onto my other clouds just to make them look a little bit more defined. Next, I'm gonna use the red shade in the Tropical palette to create the heart on my forehead. You know, since we don't have one in our chest. So I'm gonna make it on our forehead. Now I'm gonna use a finer tip brush to just kind of like clean up the edges. For some reason, I don't know why, but I'm getting the strongest urge to put some orange in the middle of it, so that's what I'm going to do. Let me just zoom y'all in, because this probably won't even show up. Enjoy the texture. You literally can't see any of the orange, so I'm just gonna add some yellow eyeshadow to see if my camera will play nice. I wish I was joking, but it literally fell in my horchata. Oh my god. Y'all heard some? Okay, so I just blinked off my eyebrows, and next I'm going to use the gray shade to create the swords on the heart. Okay, so next I'm gonna black everything out with my Miron Makeup Black Cream Paint. I don't know why I said that so slowly, but I'm gonna outline the clouds now. And then next I'm gonna write 333 on my forehead. Actually, I'm gonna use my NYX eyeliner to do this. Never mind. Okay, never mind, that's not working as well as the paint was. Next I'm gonna grab my NYX eyeliner and I'm going to create the little raindrops, which are just little streaks. Okay, so I think that's it for detail. But next I want to add red tears coming down my face because I want to. So I'm using the red Miron paint and I'm just gonna do it at this, actually I'm going to do the tears at the angle that I'm going to look at the camera in the final product. So I'm not gonna do it at the center, I'm just gonna do it actually where my eyes are. So I just made them different lengths just to kind of add a little more character, but if you want to keep them the same length or do something crazy, that's all you. Okay, so next I'm gonna darken my brows. I know you're probably thinking,
why would you lighten them if you're just gonna darken them?
And the reason for that is because I don't want them to be too dark. You know, I'm just gonna use a dark gray shade. And then next I'm gonna add brain freeze onto my lid, just to kind of like melt everything together so it looks like my eyelids are the same color. I'm just gonna blend that out too while we're at it, might as well. I'm not doing anything special with my eyeshadow because I don't want to take away the focus of this makeup look, which is very obviously not my eyes. I'm honestly not that great at eyeshadow, like I'm not bad at it, obviously, but like I am much better at making details on my face. Also, a lot of you guys have asked me if I like this palette. I literally love this palette. His formulas never really do wrong. They're always good, always reliable. He's like one of the few companies that I can literally buy something and I know for a fact I'm going to like it and I buy it like without hesitation. Subject to change if something arises, by the way. So if he releases a product that's not stellar, don't come back 7 years later at this video and be like, And then next I'm gonna do my eyeliner with my NYX eyeliner. My eyeliner is probably the most inconsistent thing about my makeup. Like, it always changes the way it looks, and honestly, I can attribute that to not even like caring. Like, I just like to get it over with, and then once it's done, like that's that. Like, anyways, I'm going to be using my Kylie Jenner One Wish liquid lip like always because I'm scared to do literally any other lip color. And just like every other look that I've ever done, I'm gonna top it off with some lip gloss. I live for a very glossy lip, period. So I'm going to go and apply my red contacts and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back and I'm going to pretend that I can see. I literally have no idea where the camera is. I'm hoping it is right here. It would make the most sense if it was. So yeah, this is the final look. I really liked it when I could see it. From what I remember, it was cute. It wasn't like the best thing that I've ever done, but it was very cute. It was very creative. If you guys like my energy, if you guys like my art, please like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys don't already, please go follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you guys in the future. Cue the montage.